back to my YouTube channel. Today I am in the holiday spirit, as you can tell, and I wanted to share my holiday joy with all you guys by showing you how to make affordable Christmas decor at home. So I went online and I did my little searchy search and I found two pieces that I'm going to be trying to recreate today. The first one is this viral ceramic gingerbread house that I've seen all over TikTok. And the second one is a spruce tree wall hanging that I thought looked really easy to recreate. So I'm excited to get started. So if you guys want to continue watching, that's great. If not, bye. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the first Christmas decor piece I'm going to try to recreate is this ceramic gingerbread house. The supplies needed are a birdhouse, brown paint, white paint, paint brushes, and a paint palette or a plate. Now, this gingerbread house is going to be made out of wood, not ceramic obviously, but I honestly think that it'll look even more realistic this way, so I'm not too worried. So, to start off this DIY, I just went ahead and painted the entire birdhouse brown to give it a base layer that resembles gingerbread. I ended up having to do only 2 coats of acrylic paint, but depending on what type of paint you use, you may have to do multiple coats. And that's fine. Also, it's perfectly fine if some of the grain from the birdhouse shows through the paint. I feel like it makes it look even more like a real big gingerbread house.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
No. Oh man, I broke the roof even more. Anyways, after the paint completely dried, I went in with some white paint and started painting on different lines and swirls to make it look like icing. How it turned out, and I can't wait to make more of these. They were also really easy to make. Here's the finished product. The second Christmas decor piece I will be DIYing today is a spruce tree wall hanging. The supplies needed are brown craft paper, or any regular paper you might have to paint on, light green, dark green, blue, brown, black, and white paint, paintbrushes and a paint palette, a stick or a dowel, some type of string, hot glue, and scissors. The first thing I did was actually tape my paper down because it kept rolling away from me. Then I went ahead and started lightly swiping white paint back and forth to create a bit of a background to paint the tree on. Now this first step can vary depending on what color paper you're going to be painting on, so it's up to you to decide what you want for your background. After I was done with the background, I went ahead and started painting the tree. This was the hardest part in my opinion because I was going off of memory and wasn't sure how it would turn out. I ended up going back and fixing the tree trunk and adding some snow to the branches, and I think those two things really brought the painting to life. I waited until the next day to do this step to make sure the painting was dry, but I went and I got a stick from outside, cut it a bit longer than the width of the paper, and sanded down the edges so I wouldn't get poked. If you happen to have a dowel, you can use that as well instead of the stick. Might be a bit easier. I just went ahead and hot glued the stick to my paper, folded it over to get the bend, and then added some more hot glue to secure the edges. Next, I tied some brown string I had onto one side of the stick and measured how much I would need to hang the painting. Then, I hot glued the knot in place and proceeded to do the same thing to the other side. Ta-da! I think it turned out really nice, and I'm actually really proud of it. Alright guys, that was me recreating Christmas decor. Let me know in the comments down below if you think that I succeeded, and also let me know if you try to recreate any of the DIYs you've seen in this video. Also, before I end the video, just wanted to let you know I finally finished decorating my tree. So it should be all good for the next video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Bye. Goodbye. I don't know what to do. Goodbye.